Hello, my sparkles of light, and welcome back to another Get Ready With Me for Work. I've been like so busy. I haven't already get ready for work. So I figured let me just have some content, just show you guys how I do my makeup every day. I pretty much change it up, like just my shadow colors, just depending on how I feel for the day. I usually do my makeup facing this window that's behind me. The aesthetic behind me looks better, you know? You may think just like selling bras and panties every shift comes easy. Girl, no. Definitely not the easiest thing to do. I wouldn't say it's like a hard job, like mentally to figure out. Probably do like 15 bra measurements each shift. I don't even know. I should like keep track and let you guys know because it's a lot. How many people like need measurements, which is great because I will say it is a really fulfilling job because I love helping people. Really nice to actually help women, like, you know, get them in that good fit. All about that fit experience. This looks so bright on camera. It's not even really that bright. We say guest as well. We don't say like customer. We have a guest going to a fitting room. I think it's really cute actually. Thankfully, I'm working with a team of girls that are like really super cool. We're like pretty much the same vibe. I haven't had any problems with anybody. The company now, I worked for them in the past. They used to be like all about getting incentives for your sale. It was kind of more competitive. Those were just really like about, oh no, that was my sale, my customer. And you'd have to like walk them up to the register, bring them up. It's not like that anymore. Now it's just all about the guest, all about helping her find what she needs, or him, because a lot of guys come in there with their girlfriend or by themselves. I'm not even saying any of the products that I'm using. I'm like starting to rush now. I did get a new Maybelline Fit Me, just like a little. I want to talk really quick about how I like manifested a job. I know there's a lot of videos out there about manifestation. Everyone's perspective is different, I feel. Everyone's experience is different and everyone's techniques are different. You know, when you don't have a job, it's easy to get caught in that pattern of feeling like lack. So I had to rewire my mindset, not feeling lack and feeling like things are going to work out for me. It's not happening to me. This is happening for me. I had to rewire my mind every single day with positive thoughts of change, knowing that that change is coming, knowing that that change is actually in effect and working its way into my life. I'm attracting it now. So that's something that I did every morning before I even picked up my phone, before I even got out of the bed. I would do my breathing exercises and I would do my mantras, which looks something like, I'm now stepping into the highest version of myself. What is meant for me will be, what is not will pass me by. I am attracting positive opportunities, positive experiences into my life now. Just begin to say these things like every single day. Like I did not miss a morning of it. I also meditate daily. I was stepping into the feeling place of feeling positive, feeling attractive, knowing who I am as a divine attractive being. And I would even say things like, speaking to this quantum field of reality now. I attract a job opportunity. I attract the inflow of money into my life now. Things like that. Oh, that one's big as fuck. All right, so now I do have 10 minutes. I can get into more of the manifestation tips later. I just really have to go right now. And I do want to like really get into it. I felt like I had more time than I did. Which is gonna be quick. Stay All Day Fit spray. Just make this quick. Blush in here that I'm gonna use. And our dress code, you guys, all black, of course, like a dark denim jeans with black top, white top. And then we can't wear like spaghetti strap, but we can wear like off the shoulder things, which doesn't make really any sense, but I'm gonna wear off the shoulder shirt today. Shift reminder app just popped up letting me know, so that means it's time to go now. Liquid Cosmic Blush. I like using blush on my lips, starting the bottom. Lip butter here. Okay. Take the makeup off my mold. Right, so now I gotta get dressed. All right, I had enough time to come back and show you my outfit really quick. Should I tuck it out? I don't know if I should tuck it out. All right, my loves, as you watch me struggle with overthinking, tucking in, tucking out. Oh my god, I have a bloated day today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you. Stay meditated, and I'll see you soon. Bye.